Hi friends, welcome back once again to my channel. Bedroom wall panels have become increasingly popular for their aesthetic and functional benefits. So friends, today video is about the beautiful bedroom wall panels and we will going to discuss what are the advantages and the features of that panels. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. So let's continue to the topic. Nowadays, these panels have become more popular for their aesthetics and the functional benefits. So let me understand the advantages of these panels. Like first one is the aesthetic appeal. Wall panels add a modern and stylish look to your bedroom, offering a clean, uniform finish. They come in a variety of designs, material, textures and colors, allowing customization to match any interior decor style. Another benefit of is many wall panels, especially those made from materials like wood, provide excellent soundproofing. This can help create a quieter, more peaceful room environment by blocking noise from adjoining rooms or the outside. Third advantages is wall panels can also improve the thermal insulation of room, making it warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Materials such as wood, MDF or PVC have natural insulating properties. Another advantage is durability. Unlike paint or wallpaper, high quality wall panels are resistant to scratches, dents and wear over time. They are also less prone to moisture damage, especially if made from moisture resistant materials like PVC. Another advantages of easy maintenance. Wall panels are often easier to clean and maintain compared to painted walls. They can typically be wiped down with a damp cloth and some are even stain resistant. Another advantages of concealment of imperfections. Wall panels can easily cover up the imperfections such as cracks, uneven walls or electrical wiring, offering a smooth, seamless look without needing any extensive wall repairs. It is easy to installation. Many wall panels are designed for easy installations with some offering a click and lock system or adhesive backing. This makes them an ideal project for home improvement. It also adds the depth and texture. Wall panels can add depth and a three-dimensional effect to your room, making it visually more interesting. Texture or 3D panels can be used to create feature walls, adding a unique focal point. It also increases the property value. A well-defined design, elegant wall panel installation can enhance the overall value of a home by improving its visual appeal and offering additional functional benefits. So there are the good features of a wall panel like material variety. Wood offers a warm, natural look available in different finish such as oak, pine or walnut. Like first one is the MDF, a cost-effective versatile material that can mimic the look of wood. Another is the PVC, lightweight, water resistant and ideal for areas with high humidity. Another feature is design flexibility. Panels are available in various patterns such as different linear or floral design. Customization in terms of size, thickness and texture can be used to create the feature walls or cover entire room surface. Some wall panels are designed to be moisture resistant, making them suitable for each room, even bedrooms, living room, with attached bathrooms for use in humid climates. The most important feature of the wall panels, it can be used in conjunction with built-in lighting such as LED strips or spotlights to enhance ambience and provide a soft, cozy look. Panels can be cut to fit the exact dimension of your walls, making them suitable for rooms of any size or shape. So friends, there you have seen the beautiful wall panel designs, and we have discussed what are the benefit and the features of wall panels. So if you are planning to customize your room, these designs will be best choice for your room to make more modern and latest interior design. So friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much.